Hey guys, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I have a new project for you for the design team at Country Craft Creations. This is the first of my projects for August, using Sunshine and Blue Skies from Simple Stories. For this project, I made a very tiny brag book using just the 3x4 cards from the snap pack from Simple Stories. So this is the snap pack. These are a collection of 3x4, 4x4, 2x2, and 4x6 cards that are meant to go in Simple Stories albums. I decided to try doing something a little bit different with these, and this is what I came up with. So let's take a look. So I've got just a ribbon closure. Everything in this is available at Country Craft Creations. I used the My Colors cardstock on this instead of the artisan cardstock, which is what I typically use when I make my books. This is held closed with a ribbon closure. I've got this adorable white polka dot ribbon that came in my design team package, and it actually matches the back of one of those 3x4 cards that is in that snap pack, so that worked out just perfectly. So when you open this up, this is one of those 3x4 cards. They're double-sided, so this is the back side of one of those cards that I just trimmed down to matte. Same thing with the polka dot paper. When you get inside here, we have a little pocket in the front with one of those little cards tucked inside. Maybe. We're just gonna leave that out. And another one in the back with the little card tucked inside. Let's see, that one wants to cooperate. And then we've got 4 little pages in here, and these pages all pull out kind of accordion style. You've got room for journaling, some small pictures, actually lots of space in here to do some pictures and some journaling. Every one of these is decorated using either some of the little stickers from the 4x6 sticker sheet or the 3x4 cards or the 2x2 cards from the snap pack. Like I said, all of this is available in the Country Craft Creation store. I cannot talk today. And this whole project will come together in about an hour, maybe less, especially if you're not talking and trying to, decide on matting at the same time. It would probably come together faster. But it's a very simple project. This would be a good project that you could make a whole bunch of in a very short amount of time for craft fairs, for gifts, for family members or teachers or friends or whatever you needed those for. It doesn't use a lot of paper. Finished size is 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. It's a very simple project. I give you a couple of different options as far as how to do this closure. If you didn't want this little flap that comes over the front on here, you don't have to do it. You just don't cut those 2 pieces of chipboard. But overall, very simple project, very fun, and I hope you like it. Thanks! If you do end up making this, by all means, please share it with me on my Facebook page, Scrapping Under the Influence, or my Instagram. You can tag me there as well, Scrapping Under the Influence, or share it in the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook group. Thanks!